Hi everyone, welcome back to the GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing how to use the B2B portal for supply quotations. To do this, you must have a supplier with the B2B supply feature enabled. Why is this feature important? The B2B request for order quotation feature simplifies and streamlines the procurement process by automating supply interactions, reducing manual efforts in requesting and managing quotations, improving efficiency, allowing multiple suppliers to submit quotations quickly in one centralized system, enhancing transparency, providing real-time visibility into pricing, delivery terms, and supplier responses, reducing errors, minimizing miscommunication by standardizing quotation submissions. I will enable the B2B supply toggle for this supplier. After that, you need to set up your user with your supplier. You can add your supplier. Next, I can go to Request for Order Quotation. Here, I can create a new record. Now you can add the parts you need. I'm just going to add one part here. Then I can go to the Suppliers tab and add my suppliers. If you have multiple suppliers, you can add them as well. Next, I can release this request for order quotation. Once released, the Publish to B2B command becomes available. By clicking on it, you can publish this to the B2B portal. Imagine the role of the supplier now. I am performing the supplier's activities now. As the supplier, now I am using the IFS B2B login. You can access the B2B environment. Here is Supplier B2B portal. By clicking on Order Management for suppliers, you can enter this lobby. In this lobby, there is a selection called Request for Order Quotation. Here, it shows me that there is one open line request for order quotation. By clicking on this, I can access it. Using these, I can create a quotation. I can add my details, including shipping of goods and delivery terms. Additionally, I can enter my quoted price. If there is a discount, I can add it here. Then I can send it. Once sent, the role of the supplier ends. As the purchasing person of the company, I can return to IFS Applications. Now, by clicking on the quotation button, I can access the quotation which supplier sent via the B2B portal. You can see that my price is listed here. Now, as usual, you can proceed with the rest of the process. If you want to approve the quotation, you can do so. Once approved, you can create a purchase order. Here is the purchase order I created using my request for order quotation. The B2B Request for order quotation feature is a game changer for procurement, making it faster, more efficient and transparent. By using this feature, businesses can streamline their supply management, reduce manual work and improve decision making based on real-time data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.